Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. The question is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 60. What is the value of x? So solution from here, dear student, we can write this as 5 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 60. Now I divide both sides by 2. These two can cancel with these two, so it become 5 to the power of x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60, so 5x is equal to 30. Now dear student, this is an exponential form, so we apply log on both sides, so it become log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 30. Now we can write this in this form. Log a to the power of n is equal to n log a. We can write it as. Now in the next step we can apply this formula on this step, so it can become x log 5 is equal to log 30. Now I divide both sides by log 5. So I divide here and here. This log 5 can cancel with this log 5. So it become x is equal to log 30 divided by log 5. Now in the next step we can write this equation as x is equal to log 5 times 6 divided by log 5. Now we can write the above numerator in this form. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. We can write this numerator as x is equal to log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. Now I can write separately log 5 on each term. So x is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. This log 5 can cancel with this log 5. So now I am going to the next page. Okay students, so we can write it as now here x is equal to 1 plus log 6 can be written as log 2 times 3 divided by log 5. So x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. We can apply before rule which we can explain, divided by log 5. Now I can write separately log 5 on each term. So x is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. Now here we can write this in this form. Log A divided by log B is equal to log A base B. We can write this equation in this form. So x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. This is the final value of x. Dear student, if you enjoy my video, then like to the video and subscribe to my channel. I can review the question, so let's see carefully and tell me in the comment section that which thing I can improve in my lecture. And are you enjoy my video? Tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.